all you cool cats and fine felines. It's Leah and
Lynn.
And
Look at Mr. 12-foot tall spooky skeleton.
and today we're in Jonesboro, Arkansas, and we were just driving by and saw this awesome Halloween display, so we're going to show you around. So, Lynn, what are we going to do?
Get into the groove.
Yeah.
Little meow hat's blown off. He's stirring a little pot.
With an oar. This one's addicted to Dr. Pepper. This little guy's had a little too much to drink.
Well, we've all been that way. Hopefully what we were regurgitating wasn't biohazard material.
Oh, poor little guy.
This is the biohazard.
Oh, man.
Hey,
Oh, it's a wedding.
It's a wedding. Hey.
There's no groom.
We're the wedding crashers.
Lynn, you probably have to fill in for the groom.
Actually,
Till death do us
till
part.
death do us part.
Aww.
Well, I feel like that need to be you over there. I feel like I need to be in this picture one more time. One of my buddies here.
Hang on, stay there.
Yes. So creepy little guys are coming out of boxes.
They're workers.
Climbing up. No, they're accident prone. Look.
Oh my gosh.
This one's kind of been impaled, and
Oh.
I guess the other one is working up here in celebratory fashion. I guess this one fell over. It's probably not supposed to be that way.
Oh, poor little guy. He looks terrible. He's been laying there for a long time.
Now let's see what all they have.
Wow, it's Daddy's rat crematory is what it is.
Oh, look at these skeletons. They're carrying this, their
Their
fellow
mangled
comrade.
friend.
And then
Nice
there's
little
another one
cemetery.
over here, and he's,
Oh, there's sound effects and every. I mean, I didn't even know this little pumpkin patch was here.
now look, these skeletons over here, I think they're carrying their zombified little experiment.
I'm pretty sure that's the boogeyman. That's who I check to see who's under the bed every night. Oh, I hear the Alfred Hitchcock theme. Nicely decorated with spider webs. Oh, and there's little skeletons on the roof. Fresh bones, only 5 cents, and they got a little kitty cat. Meow.
Look, they have every size of spider crawling on the wall, from the itty bitty ones right here. If you want some bigger ones over there, and even the great big ones there. It's like
the Mac Daddy spiders. That's a daddy long legs.
No. It's a big creep. I just look. This skeleton's been there so long. He has his little spider crawling on him too.
He has a little projection eyes. Ooh, look at his eyes.
When all through the streets, every creature was stirring in search of some sweets. The moon shone bright o'er the new fallen leaves, and shadows lurked about like mischievous thieves. When out on the lawn there arose eerie laughter, I sprang from my perch to see what was after, and what to my hollowed-out eyes should appear but a group of small children with motives unclear. Tiny tots all dressed up as goblins and ghouls, carting sacks full of candy like sure-footed mules. They filled me with fear, this gruesome young gang, as they crept to my door, and in unison they sang,
Trick or treat, smell my feet,
Give me something good to eat.
If you don't, we will
I don't
delight
care.
in haunting your house this Halloween night.
I spoke the word, but just quickly obeyed, tossing handfuls of candy to this beastly brigade. Content with their spoils, they closed up their sacks, then turned from my door and quickly made tracks. But I heard them exclaim as they scattered from sight, Happy Halloween to all, and to all a good fright.
Good one.
Look at the little rat.
Oh, that is awesome. Look, they have the little ducks. They have little skeleton ducks and skeleton pig cows. They're having a full out barbecue.
You know what he's
What you
you know he's
cooking?
T-bone steaks.
He's having ribs.
Oh, these are little jackass skeletons.
The little jackass skeletons. Steve-O and Bam.
Dude, they're all addicted to Dr. Pepper. Look at his eyes.
That's a good, I like that.
He's had way too much.
Too many Dr. Peppers.
But I do like his pajamas.
And this one, he happened to, I bet his legs are numb. He's been sitting there so long.
He's probably had too much Dr. Pepper too.
Well, we got
But the reason we came
the pirate ship.
is because this huge pirate ship when we were driving by. Dude, they're walking the plank.
This he's trying to get back up there. Oh, look, yeah.
Oh,
Well, if that's not intimidating, I don't know what is. You come
Well-
up on a pirate ship and see someone's skeleton out on the front bow.
this is
This is
impressive.
cool. These guys they did a good job.
Oh, there's even one at the wheel up there. They call that the stern.
Yeah, he's the captain of the ship.
Look at the Jolly Roger.
This is where we should come and get our pumpkins when we carve them. Hey Leah, did you have fun while we were here at the little pirate ship?
I have fun everywhere with you, Lynn, but of course I did.
I think it's going to be really cool whenever we.
Ooh.
I think it's going to be really cool when we come back after it gets dark and see it all lit up.
Well, it is.
Into all a good evening, into all a good fright.
Hey, morning. It's Leah and Lynn from the future, and we just wanted to remind you to
like, share, and subscribe. And if you don't mind, hit that notification bell so you will know when we upload new videos. And stay groovy.
Thank you.